Hey guys, so this will be an update on the DAX. It will be some sort of a trading journal because I will be journaling this. So we've been looking at this pattern, and right now, as we can see, it has worked out, right? We got this up move, but it took a damn while. Look at this. It corrected here, and it just did this weird, channeling price action accumulation, right? It was basically an accumulative process period where buyers and sellers were battling, and we were looking for an upside. Let's just quickly go through the variables again, and it's really simple. Uptrend, we see this corrective pattern, boom, push up, we see another three-wave possible continuation, and therefore we're looking for an upside in confluence with the higher time frame perspective as well. Here on the daily, we see that sharp impulse, correction, another sharp impulse, and a possible upside impulse can happen. So back to the 15-minute, and all of this, just watch my previous videos and you'll see how we analyzed and how we looked at the structure. So something that I'm noting down, or like that I am journaling for myself, is this here. Look at this. This is why trading is hard and challenging, because it can be so tricky. Trading this, this is literally a account killer where market just is going, it's just going up, down, up, down, up, down, coupled with us, or me, I having this bias here where I see this three-wave structure and I plan out that an impulse to the upside can happen. So if I have just kept buying randomly because I saw a pattern here, I would have lost a lot of money. So key takeaway is patience, and understanding like the underlying processes of demand and supply. We know that we had a clear, strong level here. That this is a level that we looked at last week. Look at how price has been bouncing off it, right? There and here. Like we have had buyers holding these levels. Then, before we actually got this spike, look at what happened. Look at the 15-minute here. Let's take a look at the volume. This is important because this is a pattern that happens often. So we have a period of accumulation here, right? We're getting like, this is a high and then we got a new high, but it's basically not really going anywhere for a period of time. Then we have a period of very extremely low volume in here, and we see that we still holding, like we're still above this price here. Buyers are still in control, low volume. Then volume suddenly comes into the market, followed by this breakout. This is clearly a sign that, okay, now we might have something to push the market up, because we have a period of accumulation, then a very, very low volume, a period of low volume, and this is a clear pattern of, and this is, this is the pattern, it's accumulating. It's a classic pattern where you have a period of accumulation with low volume, and following that a sharp impulse will come, or a sharp breakout away from this area, and we got that. So to conclude, this worked out, right? This trade idea worked out, but I've had to adapt and adjust my trades because of the environment, because of the conditions of the market. It was not a smooth process. Look at this. Every time you take a buy, it just came back down, came back down, came back down, which is why in here only quality buy setup should have been taken, or a trade where I bought. I remember right here, I was in the trade right here. I think I also posted this last week in a video. And if I had had a stop below this area, right? Below this area, where we know there's a lot of volume, and this area is a key level, you would have been good. Here, patience was key. Patience was key here. And this is why I have to let my trades develop. It's a key point, especially when the context is valid and the bigger picture is valid. And essentially, there's nothing telling me that the price will go down, right? This is why patience is king and context is king. And I really hope that by me posting these videos that you can take away some things and learn something as I am learning. This is actually helping me as well, posting these videos and keeping myself accountable. And it's like an online trading journal for me where I get to talk and, you know, get my thoughts out there. So I hope it helps you as much as it's helping me. With that said, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet, and thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and once again, thanks for watching.